Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we have a very chatty, get ready with me, life update, spilling the tea. So if that's something you are interested in, then please consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to see more of these types of videos, chatty, getting to know me more videos, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, so that lets me know that you guys want to see more. And I'm not going to chat too much in this intro because I chat a lot in this video. I do mention in the video that whatever I use on my face I've put in the description box. I just wanted to shout that out straight away in case you miss it in the video. But if you are interested in what I use, then have a look in the description box. Without further ado, if you want to hear about my life update and how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so like in the last video, I want to experiment with my background. This with just the lights on there, or this as well. Does this help? With, without. I'm gonna go without today, just so maybe you guys can help me out and decide. We are going to be doing a very chatty, get ready with me today, life update. What's been going on in my life? I need to be more open and honest on my channels. More open. I'm always honest. Let's crack open. I haven't ever tried these. These are meant to be really nice. You can get them in Home Bargains for quite cheap. I can't remember how much they were, but these are the, I don't know how to say that, but it's that. Energy drink by Kim K. So let's crack this open. Oh, God, that was hard. Ooh, she smells good. Ooh, she's sweet. I don't have much caffeine, but I seen these on the shelf and I couldn't resist because everyone raves about them, so I had to pick one up. And that is really good. I'm getting ready today for my nail appointment, and like I said, I thought it would be good to just have a catch up with you guys. So I've pretty much done all of my skincare. I'm just adding some of the MAC Serumizzer. Been loving this, and this takes us swiftly on to the first topic I want to catch you guys up with. I've changed my job. Obviously you've seen the videos if you follow me on TikTok, but I know some people don't have that platform, so you probably won't even know. I don't know if I've mentioned it in any of my videos on YouTube yet, but I've quit my job. As you guys would have known because I've done some videos about the brand, I used to work for Clinique. I absolutely loved my time, don't get me wrong. Some of it was hit or miss. I was the counter manager for one of the counters in a Boots. I still work at the same Boots, but I now work for MAC Cosmetics. So I've been loving this. Let me tell you, you can use it as your serum, moisturiser and your primer. So I made this decision not lightly. I have been umming and ahhing about doing this for so long. And I just thought this would be the best time to do it because there was an opportunity in my store and I thought, why not? Liz, you've been thinking about doing this for so long. An opportunity came up not long ago in my store because I love working in that store. I didn't want to leave, if you know what I mean, and obviously I just wanted like to go part-time. I didn't want to fully commit to a new job, if you know what I mean. I know that is a lot to ask, but when I tell you, I'm so glad I waited because I've always said to myself and my friends, family, I'm just going in with the Hello Sunday SPF, by the way. I've been on about it to my friends and family for God knows how long. I've got to be honest, it has been a long time where I've wanted to change. Because if, again, you are not new to my channel, you'll know that I am a makeup artist, as well as work in retail, as well as doing my social media. I love doing clients on the weekends and stuff, and weddings, and working full-time with Clinique. It was hard. It was hard to get those weekends off because I pretty much worked every weekend, and being a manager, I had a lot of like expectations. I couldn't have like certain time off in the year because of like gift time or like promotions, stuff like that. So that is the main reason why I quit my job. I am not one for change. I am not one to, out of the blue, just do this. I was comfortable where I was, and that is why it took me so long to make the decision and up and do it. And I am so glad I had those people in my life to push me to do what I want to do. Like, I now have time because I've been working for Mac now for just over a month, and it's been way better. Like, I've noticed a difference with my social media already. I've had a few clients. Obviously that is something I need to work on big time, so I'm just putting some instant tan on my chest because I was pale. Do my hands later. Honestly, this is your sign to do it. Literally just do it. If you've been thinking about it for a while like I have, just do it. If I can do it, literally anyone can do it, because I know that's so cliche to say, but I have no balls. I don't know where it came from. I don't know. I knew that once that opportunity came in my store for the Mac role, I knew that was it. No going back and no saying no, because someone else is going to take that job, like the opportunity before that I didn't go for, which, like I said, I'm glad I didn't. But someone would have had that job and I would have been looking at them with envy, and honestly I wouldn't have changed it now for the world. Like, I'm doing what I like to do. I've got so much time to work on myself and my business. So yeah, that is the main thing that has changed in this world of mine at the moment. Really, this is why I don't put this shit on my face. Things we do for TikTok, eh? I've just got that all over my top. Went in with the Dewy skin tint. I took that the other day and I don't know how I feel. I always forget to get my brushes. So yeah, like I was saying, this is your sign, guys. You come across this video because it's your sign to do it. I think it's because I have a lot of like friends in the beauty community, and a lot of them are getting successful and doing what they want to do, and I was like, I want that. Like my nail tech, Jodie, she might be watching this. Like, girl, you are slaying life right now, and you are one of the people who have inspired me. My best friends have inspired me. Just a lot of people in my life who pushed me to do it. Like my dad, for example, as well. He was one to push me. He's helped me out a lot. Connor has massively helped me in my life to come to realise that I am good at what I do and I need to showcase that. And the lady who works on Mac, Gemma, she was literally like, yes Liz, I want you. And that feeling is just amazing. Like, someone wants you, do you know what I mean? I don't know what I'm saying now, but it was a good feeling to hear everyone's thoughts on the situation. There were a few people who were like, oh, are you sure, Liz? Like, is this really what you want to do? Like, because I forgot to mention, I cut my hours by half. So I was working 30 hours a week, 4 days, and now I'm working 15 hours a week, 3 days. So it was a risk, but it's paying off. So to all those people who were doubting, that's for you. Basically. So that's fun. Life is fun. Life is all about taking risks. I knew, like I said, oh, I just looked straight into my light. And again, I said, if I wouldn't have taken this risk, when was I gonna? Do you know what I mean? I am 28 this year. I know I don't look it, but 28 this year. I need to get a grip. There's so much in my life I want to do, and these part-time hours are gonna let me do it. And I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok who I follow, like one, for example, Erin. I think she's from Scotland. Recently followed me and I followed her back, and her videos are just amazing. So informative, so quick, snappy, and that's what I like, and that's what I want to turn my videos into, more like snappy videos. Love them. She's now just come out with that she's quit her job and she's going to uni, which is so inspiring. We're in this together, girl. She's probably not watching this, but by the way, everything that I'm using, if I don't mention it, then it'll all be in the description box down below. I'm going to make sure to write all this down. So yeah, that is the main update of my life, my new job, and this is why my videos have been so consistent on my YouTube and TikTok. My problem is, right, again, if you know me, you'll know this, especially Jess in work, probably fed up of hearing it. I've got so many drafts. Tell me why I haven't posted. Tell me. Like, I've got so many TikTok drafts that I need to post, and I've also got videos for my shorts on YouTube to post. Like, why haven't I done it? And also my makeup, obviously, like I said, I'm a makeup artist. I've got a makeup account. Again, I'll link it all down below. I've got a Facebook makeup group. Tell me why I haven't posted them. I literally couldn't tell you. So next, I have tried, obviously if you watch my monthly favourites, you'll know that I've been trying to try so many new makeup bits, which I have this month. So look forward to August favourites, which will be next week, I think. Is it the end of August yet? I think it pretty much is. So stay tuned for that video, because I have liked so many products this month. I need to start doing like de-influencing videos maybe. Would you be interested in that? No, this video can be for you guys to put in the comments what you want to see. I know you're really good with comments, like what you want to see from me, but let me know in this video so it's all in one, if you know what I mean, and I can write them all down, because I need some ideas. Like, do you want to see more makeup bits from me? Do you want to see more vlogs? Because I am enjoying vlogging my life at the moment, like when I go shopping. We've had a few bits done to the house, so that's been fun. See, if you've watched my moving vlogs, we moved out, me and Connor moved out last year in July, and we have done so much to this house. I'm gonna be doing like a bedroom sort of transformation on the vlog that's going up on Sunday, so stay tuned for that. But we wanted to change the carpet that was in the 3 bedrooms on the top floor. Oh, that's what I was going to say. You will know if you've watched my vlogs that we moved into a 3-storey house, and on the top floor we've got the 3 bedrooms, a bathroom and a ensuite in our master bedroom, and carpet from the old owners. Even though it's a new house, it's like been lived in twice, I suppose. The carpets were absolutely like disgusting. They were just old, even though the house is like 5 years old. They were like flaking off. It was stains everywhere. It wasn't good. So we've now had new carpet in the upstairs bedrooms and on the 2nd flight of stairs, which is so exciting because it's a long time come. I'm so excited. Just feeling like a nice plush carpet on your feet in the morning when you wake up, when you get out of bed, is just so good. I love it. The colour is, at the moment, at first we had grey, so that's like running throughout the whole house. Carpet, like a light grey, and we've changed it to like a stony, like sort of beigey colour. I am obsessed. Like I said, you'll see all of this in the vlog coming up on Sunday. And we've also done panelling in our bedroom. Sneak peek there, but you'll see it in the vlog. It looks absolutely stunning, and we couldn't have done a better job. Literally me and Connor, mainly Connor. I did the painting more so. I mean, Connor did as well, obviously. He's got to have some credit. But it looks so good, guys. Like, we did it all ourselves, apart from, obviously, we went to B&Q and cut it. That is another update from my life. I'm just going to go and do my blush because I'm doing a little hack. We're back. Okay, what was I saying? So, I think I was saying about the panelling. So, yeah, we've had a few different things happening in the house. And do you know what? That's it for now. I'm excited to see what else we've got to do. Pretty much it. Oh, we have tiled the bathroom and the ensuite upstairs. So upstairs where all the bedrooms are pretty much done now, which is exciting. You can sort of move down to the living room and kitchen and stuff then. Like, obviously we're going to want to match the living room and the other stairs to the upstairs, so that's exciting. That's boring house stuff. Let me know if you like boring house stuff, because I will do more vlogs. I'm just gonna spritz my face a little bit with the MAC Fix Plus. So I think that is mostly my life update done. Now I've got more time on my hands. When I'm doing like admin and stuff, I've been rewatching Pretty Little Liars, and oh my god, guys, I love it when I don't watch a series for like ages. For ages, and then I rewatch it and I forget like what's happened and stuff. Do you know what I mean? And that is exactly what is happening now. Like, I sort of remember it as the episode's going on, if you know what I mean. which I love because I love rewatching, but then I don't want to like remember at the time what's happened. This is Gingerly, which everyone's raving about at the moment, and I do really like it. So yeah, Pretty Little Liars is one of my faves at the moment, which I've been watching, which isn't a sneak peek for August, I don't think. It might be, but I'd love to get feedback off you guys as well, to be fair. Like I said, comment. Also, if you are still watching, I'm going to start doing this in between like random times on my videos because you guys seem to love it when I did it last time. A few of you commented. Put a lipstick emoji in the comments if you are still watching, because I appreciate you so much. Put a lipstick emoji. If you don't have a lipstick emoji, then just write lipstick and I will know what you mean. My eyebrows are not working lately. I need to concentrate when I do my eyebrows. Is anyone else like that? Been into a pencil lately though. It is a little bit more like natural. Natural's the right word. Can I just say as well, so random in this video, but I am literally obsessed with Wingstop at the moment. I literally cannot stop thinking about it. I've had it 3 times in my life and I want it so much more. I wish it would come more local for me. It's about 20 minutes away from me and I don't always go to Cardiff, which Cardiff is 20 minutes away and it's the only one local. They seriously need to up their game and get more in the area I live. But they are getting a Popeyes near where I live, which is exciting. I've never had Popeyes before. It's meant to be like an American thing, isn't it? Okay, I need to change my camera battery. Okay, we are back. I should have just done my hair and everything then. Oh, I am gonna set my face before I move on to mascara. This is one of my faves lately. Mainly because of the mist. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. Let me know if any of you guys had any like massive changes in your life lately, or like you're excited for something. Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to like chat in the comments instead of like just random comments, if you know what I mean. I want to engage with you guys. Doing my eyelashes. I love it when a makeup look comes together. What I'm gonna do is come back after I've done all my hair and stuff. I'll take it out now and yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so that was an absolute disaster. It's windy today and my washing just went everywhere, so I just had to sort that out. Amazing. Anywho, this is me all ready for my nail appointment. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. I now need to go have some lunch and get my nails done. These are my nails before. They are very overgrown. Still don't know what I actually want to get. Maybe the blooming gel. I'm obsessed with that lately. Sorry, I'm still fiddling with my hair. I hope you guys found out a little bit more about me and I will continue to do so. Before you leave, please consider subscribing to my channel if you aren't already, and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy this video and you want to see more like chatty videos. And also let me know if you want to see some more vlogs on my channel. In my vlog coming up on Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you again for getting ready with me. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.